Alright guys, here's the start of the third. I'm going to skip ahead about 40 seconds. Not much happens in the very beginning. I know it's kind of hard to see. The puck's back there. Okay, so that was good actually. Let's look at that again. So the puck is here, and Ethan, you're kind of in the middle of the ice. Okay, good positioning there. Right, in case we cough it, yep, you're no breakaways, right? Okay. Job, Jacob. Jacob, great defensive game hit for this day. Alright, and so this is where everyone's trying to push the puck forward this way. I mean, yeah, you could throw it out of the zone. It's not a bad play, but a better play, throw it behind a net. Quiet zone. Okay, with that, we do get it out and get a partial, well, not exactly a breakaway. You're going to see this guy catch, I believe that's Austin. But, uh, so, again, if you're this player, okay, you want to look back real quick. This, you should be able to hit Jacob wide open coming in. So, if you think you can beat him and cut across the goalie and score, and then go ahead. But once you feel like that guy's gonna catch you, maybe you slow up a little and figure out a way to pass him. Because he's gonna be wide open. And actually, if I remember, Ellie's on the other side. You can possibly hit her too, but she's a little bit behind the play. Okay. All right, vision. Work on vision, guys. So handling the puck without actually looking at it is so important. Okay. So once again, we have a puck battle here, so we may need that defense up here, right? You're ready for any type of cough up like that one. Okay. And once again, all right, great job, Jacob. That's like the third time I've seen him back check and catch a guy. Okay. Have pride in your defense. All right, that is just as important as scoring. Pride in your defense. And then you chipped it out. I'm not sure if you had to chip it out. You didn't talk to him, guys. Look, you can. He has plenty of time to skate it out. Right, you guys gotta talk to him though. Okay, good. I think that guy's gonna kind of catch you. Yep, and he just kind of shoves you over. But oh well. But this is a long stretch of 5 minutes without a whistle, right? Okay. And yeah, that's pretty bad. So um, as a defense, yeah, you want to skate backwards, but if the guy's already kind of has a step on you, you're gonna have to skate forward and skate with him. So here, if you didn't even transition backwards, you would have been able to keep up with him. Okay, and get in his grill, get in his face, slow him up. Can't just let him get a free pass right there. Okay, that hit the post. Oh, okay, I think that's okay to skate it up. I guess you couldn't really pass it to Johnny Cash there. Okay, but you're taking these kind of far shots. Figure out a way to skate it in more. Okay, I'm not sure if you can. Maybe the guy's in your way, but try not to take these extreme low percentage shots. Okay, dump it in. Alright, and boom. Alright, so we're going to see a bad angling here. It's kind of tough, though, because the guy already has full steam ahead. But you see this guy is going to skate it up. So once you see that, it's kind of tricky. You feel yourself going forward, you're going to have to hit the brakes and stop and already start accelerating this way. Because when you go forward, I mean, even way lesser skill players can easily get around you. Okay, it's all about angling on defense. Remember, he's going this way full speed. You don't want to go that way. It's called an all or nothing, right? Where you poke it and pray. So match the speed, and later. Later. Almost. Okay, now, if you'll notice, Brecken did a better job angling. Because he's coming back. Okay, and so that guy cuts in, and he actually missed it, but Brecken's still coming back, okay, and catching him on the other side. So your angling is not bad. It could be better to where if you missed him, you can like just cut right back and be in his face, but that's still pretty good. And that's what I mean by kind of matching his speed, okay? You missed the puck, big deal. You're still right there. Yeah, beautiful. Alright, and he did the old blind pass up the middle. Don't do that. The thing I hate is when it works, so people, it just reinforces bad behavior. Okay. Up, up, up. Come on, win that battle, okay? You need to put your body into him. Okay. Clear attempt, don't clear. Hold on to the puck. Control, control, control. This is where you need the poise, okay? I believe that's Caleb. Talk to him. Tell him just skate. Tell him hold. Tell him control. Right? Because this is a wasted possession there. And well, kind of. Now, I will say this. If you know you have a pass right away, I suppose that's okay. If you knew, but our forward's kind of late getting to the board. So you have to hold and then throw it to the board. With that said, we do get fortunate bounce, and this is actually a very nice receiving job right there. Well done. Here, wait, hold on, it's not that one. You're going to see later, Jesse has kind of a good chance to just get a breakaway. Okay, so angling. Let's see if that guy burned 2 people. Okay, so you already, yeah, you're already too late. There's no way you want to spin this way and catch him like that. It's already going to take you to. So once you felt like he has a step, you cut this way. Instead, should cut that way. So it gets around you easily. Cash just got on. Wait, is that AC? AC. I think AC just got on, so you can't blame him for that. Okay. But here, alright. Oh. So remember, you're just gonna try to match his body. Don't worry too much where the puck is. You gotta match his body, and it's tough skating backwards. It really is as a defenseman. One thing you can do in game, it's not fundamentally sound, but you can just skate forward with him. So your body would actually be this way, and you can stay with him. Yeah, you do want to work on skating backwards, but in game, if you feel like, oh, I already got caught and the guy already has speed, then just turn around and skate forward with him. Okay, good save. Okay, chip out. Okay, I guess that works. Good. Let's go skate. Come on. Good. All right, so you kind of left yourself with no option here. It's sort of a 3-on-1, so you have to hurry up and pass it. You have to pass it or sooner, I guess. I don't know. Maybe you should have cut in a little. The spacing's bad on the forwards part too. Okay, you see that guy coming full steam at him, then I think that's AC. You actually want to slow up, all right? Actually, you're not going to move that. You don't want to just go full blast ahead because now Cash can't really pass you. He's in his way. So instead, you slow down. Okay, this game is a real finesse game. It's not all about just speeding as fast as you can every time, plodding forward. All right, you have to really think. It's a very intelligent game. A lot of times you should just slow up. You know, go slow instead of fast. Okay, can't really see what's going on there, but it's right. Okay. So this here's the all or nothing. The puck squirts free, and then, oh, you go for it. Oh, he pokes it past you. Okay, and then our other D unfortunately didn't cover you. So, as the other D, you have to anticipate this. And once you see him step up, you gotta think, uh-oh, that could be bad, and start already going back. Anticipate, prepare for the worst as a defenseman. Now, Brecken, should you go for the poke? Probably not. Okay, just a lot of times you can kind of go forward and think, you know, that's too close, and just come back. Okay. Remember the risk versus reward. The reward is you poke the puck forward and you know not much happens, but the risk is that this guy gets a breakaway. Okay, not worth it. Just let him have the puck and skate back with him because he's not gonna really beat you one on one. Okay. Oh. Okay, and with that in mind, good job trying to hustle back, AC. But you want to get on his inside, all right? You don't want to go around him, which is what it looked like you did. Well, wait. Sorry, I'm sorry. Hold on. That might not be AC. Whoever that is right there. Is that Caleb? Yeah. So you don't want to skate that way. You want to skate more like a straight line and curl into him. Because now he's just gonna use his body to block you out. Yeah. Okay, so that was not AC. I think it's Caleb. Okay. Yeah, it is Caleb. Alright, so here's the thing I was talking about, Jesse. Instead of shooting from way out there, like, you already have this guy spun around. You have him beat by a mile. The guy was skating backwards, like, slowly. You know you can beat him. So instead of shooting it, and then just walk in. You want to just walk in and dangle more. And, yeah, that guy might close you off, and then perhaps shoot it after, but get, like, 2 more steps in and shoot. Alright. Very well have the ability to do it. So just do it. Okay, give us a free puck. Alright, swing it. Alright, swing it to Caleb. And instead, you opt to skate it all the way in. Okay. Remember, you don't want to do that as a defenseman in general. Okay. Okay. And unfortunately, another beat. So you don't want to stop up. Just keep skating backwards. Keep skating backwards. Okay. Okay. Up. Up. Alright, and so one of the keys here too is alright, and also Brecken. Again, good job recognizing he got beat, so he has to move over and help. Okay. And with that in mind, I think that's AC. You gotta catch this guy now, or you can switch. Okay, you gotta call for it though. What you don't want though is this, where this guy just walks in for free. So you have to. Someone has to. The thing is, you have to already anticipate this and already have a stick locked beforehand. He shouldn't have even got that close to it. But unfortunately, yeah, that's exactly what happened. You realize, oh, the puck's there now. I gotta stop him. No, you have to stop him before that because this guy could have easily passed to him. Okay, and yeah, that leads to a goal. Okay, hold on. All right, here's the next stretch. And Cash loses a tire here. Oops. Alright, so you're the guy behind the net, and you're gonna see Jacob just skate it all the way up. Okay, as a team in general, don't want to do that. Okay, you want to get the puck out of the zone as a team with passing. Okay, and with this in mind, though, I mean, I guess that's all right. You didn't really have an option. Could have passed to Ellie, I guess. And I'm not putting fault on just the guy with the puck. You receivers have to you have to skate in a way to receive it with speed. Okay, so it's receiving the other half of the problem. Okay. Good D. Good job. Oh, hold on, hold on. I think I missed someone missing the angle here. Okay, yeah, so another angle problem. So yeah, this is gonna be tough. You're skating this way, and he makes a nice little nifty move going right and swinging back. So you gotta be quick. Gotta be quick. You don't want to commit fully that way, because then it's gonna do that. Easier said than done though. Those guys that are shifty are the really hard ones to stop. And here, out, 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 now, 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 now. Okay, out. Holding it a split second too long. Out, out, out. Okay. Okay, Jacob, don't give up on it. Just get in it. Get in his face. Go get it. Okay, sure. Great move here. Inside, outside, boom. Shoot on the other side. Great goal. I think that was Austin. Okay, pause. Okay. Okay, better job recovering. Almost stopped him. Right, so here, headman the puck. He has a half step on it. You want a headman right away. Let him have it. He has the space. Headman. With that, nice try, AC. He laid out. Almost got it. Almost got that pass. Okay. Yeah, that guy's gonna be tough to guard. Good help though. Great help. Gotta say, Brecken, defense has been pretty solid in terms of especially helping out your partner there. Okay. Good time to skate it up. Now, alright, I was gonna say headman, but no, Jesse's actually behind him, so that's fine. I'm running this. Okay. And alright, so you shoot a backhand from 50 feet out, and it goes in. I mean, so people will say, oh, it worked. It worked. So it must have been the right play. No, okay, because in the long run, that's like a super low percentage play. What you want to do is something we can work on practice. You want to transition your feet backwards and so shoot on the forehand. Shooting from backhand way out there, like the goalie probably should have stopped it, but with that in mind, though, I guess in this level, no shots necessarily that bad, I suppose. Hold on, let me pause this segment. Okay. Alright, so we'll talk more about this. You want to close the gap. So as a defenseman, you want to be about 2 stick lengths away. So what that means is if you stretch a stick out, you want your stick to be, well, probably not 2 stick lengths away at this point. At the blue line, you want to be 2 stick lengths away. But I here, yeah, close the gap so there's not, there's not all that space where he can just shoot it at the goalie. You probably had a chance to cut it off like right there. Okay. That, you blocked it anyway. So yeah, I'm not sure what the heck's going on here. When we look at defensively, you have Jacob here, probably from centerman tendencies, right? That's usually what the center would be, and then you have Austin's kind of in this section. We have 2, 3 guys here, so we need another guy on this side for sure. But usually that would be Jacob, and Austin would be down here somewhere. But anyway. Okay, so then you do switch over. Okay, who are you guarding? Who are you guarding? I hope there's a guy back there. 1, 2, 3. Alright, it doesn't matter. Okay, here. Don't clear. Don't clear. Poise, poise, poise. You're not getting pressured. Hold. Hold, 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 hold. And then just wheel back. So you get the puck and then just go skate back that way. Okay. Save that. Save those precious possessions, huh? Okay. Now, if the guy just sits there, okay, well, we'll talk. I think it happens later on. Good job. Good job, Ethan. That's right. Oops, not the middle. Not the middle. That's where it's dangerous, okay? This is good recovery right here. Yeah, you went right at the guy, but you hit the brakes. Okay, that's perfect. I mean, the angling wasn't great, but well, I shouldn't say it was bad, but you just have to brake sooner, a little bit sooner. Okay, but yeah, if the guy gets a puck right away, you want to skate up to him and stop. You don't want to just skate past him, because if that guy dangles through you, it's over. Yeah, good job. Okay, again, yeah, I guess that's okay. You can take it back too. Okay, we sort of got it. Yeah, we did get it. Okay, so it worked. Whoops. When you skate up the ice too, you want to recognize. Okay, I think that's Austin. Can I beat this guy and cut in for a breakaway? Okay, if so, go ahead. If not, it's gonna look to be a 1-on-3. So you don't want to dangle all three of these guys. Okay, 1-on-3 situation, you gotta figure out a way to delay. So you come into the zone and you button hook when you turn back, or you carry it in, go around the net. So you delay, meaning you're waiting for all your teammates to come into the zone. Right, good job, Ethan. Well done. Okay. Alright, well, got the job done at least. Oh, yeah. So, angle. Alright, so you already want to be turning back. Remember, you're not watching the puck, you're watching his body, okay? So be ready to already turn back. But with that said, it is a good move. And he makes a great move here. Nice. Gotta give him props for that. Now, that went in, so that was a goal. But what I would like to see from 23, so after you pass it, you set up for another pass, right? You don't just kind of coast and just watch the play. You wait for another pass, or you cut in for a rebound. And with that said, this guy did get it in though. Oof, barely. Okay. All right. Here's what we call in the coaching community Johnny Fastgates. Okay, so Johnny Fastgates is that guy who, when you play 6U or 8U, he's that one kid who can skate faster than everybody, so he does something like this. Right? He gets the puck, skates up, burns every single guy. um, and comes in for the shot, right? So, while it's not necessarily a bad thing, the problem with Johnny Fastgates is when you move up in the levels and suddenly these guys can all stop you, um, it's pretty much not. It creates bad habits. Okay, bad habits in general. Um, with that said, you can do it from time to time. And I don't blame you for this, by the way, Brecken. You've never really played. I don't think you played much defense. You probably played less defense than forward. So forward mentality, yeah, you just go, and beat them. And you do have great ability. So, oh, making changes. Okay. Yeah. I mean, something just to think about is the differences between defenseman and forward. Okay, so now I know what Brecken's thinking. This guy wants to score. So he's gonna really try his hardest here. Oh. As forward, so you guys gotta get in position to get the pass, alright? I don't know if he will pass it, but you gotta at least be in a position to. Again, you did try that backhand shot. Okay. And here we go. Gonna skate it all the way up again. See, that's actually a good job getting into the quiet zone, but that's how you're supposed to do it, guys. Except usually you want to stop up. But, oh well. Power through him. Very nice. Very nice. See, so the other problem too is you have all these forwards waiting at the line. So when you come in, it's just gonna be you by yourself. Okay, another shot, good shot. Ooh, nice dangle. Got one. Oh, and I think there's a whistle there. Yeah, I think that was Jacob with that dangle. Okay, now this was kind of huge. Yeah, this guy went full steam ahead. And unfortunately, yeah, skating backwards and trying to match him is going to be really tough. So this is the all or nothing, and you did get him. So that was huge. Big stop right there. And unfortunately, well, alright. Right, so we win face-off. Good job on face-offs, Jesse. Great, did a great job. I think you won like 80% of them. You guys know what I'm going to say. Okay, throw it back here. Defenseman, prepare for him to throw it back there, right? So you throw the puck this way. Okay. I don't think too much happens. We're right at the end of the period. But let's find out. Oh no, it's a little bit more. Okay. Nice try on the angle. Remember, Ethan, be ready for a potential cough up, okay? Be ready for a potential cough up. Okay. Good job, Jesse. Way to help out there. And there we go. And that's the end of the period. Alright, so I won't go over the shootout. Sorry I missed Brecken's shootout, but it was a save anyway. Yeah, I'm sure you guys seen this, but this is a crazy 9-round shootout. Even a few misses, it's amazing that when we missed, the other team missed, and we matched goals almost every round. With that said, so yeah, second game. So all this stuff I'm telling you, it might be information overload, but I'm gonna repeat a lot of things over and over. So eventually maybe it'll sink in. At this age, I guess. I mean, the lot of stuff I'm teaching you too is it might be a little bit high skill level. Okay, I mean these are like full on breakout techniques, which you guys probably never had a chance to really practice. Okay, I'm sure a few of you did. Whoever played, 4 or 5 years, I'm sure you have a better idea of it. But it's something we'll work on throughout the season. I don't know if we'll ever get to the point where I guess you're never really gonna be satisfied, especially with the limited number of practices we have. But something we'll strive for. Yeah. With that said, if you have any comments, any questions, anything you disagree with, post in the comments, or you can talk to me. I'll probably say this in the. I'll probably put like an intro video, not an intro, not a different video, but at the start of this, I'll probably talk more about this. But yeah, I'm not. If your travel coach says something different, or you disagree with what I think, then yeah, let me know. Let me know. I'm definitely open to hearing things out, and we'll talk about it. Okay. All right, guys. See you next time.